Good morning, my nursery babies. How about traveling to the space to watch beautiful stars, moon and planets? But how are we going to travel up there? Helicopter? Aeroplane? No. We are going to travel in a rocket. The rocket is almost getting ready at the spaceport. Just a few finishing touches need to be given. So what are we going to do? Well, we are going to do a little bit of coloring and sticking crushed paper on the rocket to make it colorful. So, are we ready, children? Come, let's get started.
Children, before we start with our coloring and paper crushing activity, we will first write the division on the top and the name on the worksheet. Now, let us all go through the instructions. Let us color and paper crush in the rocket. We will also color the stars. So children, these are the stars which we will be coloring, and along with that we will also color the top portion of the rocket, the middle portion of the rocket, between the two sleeping lines and the bottom portion of the rocket. We will be paper crushing and sticking inside the circle and on the wings of the rocket. So let us start the activity by coloring the stars. Now children, you have a choice here. You can use any color to color the stars. Now, once you have finished coloring the stars, we are going to now color the top portion of the rocket. Now children, again, you don't have to use the same colors which teacher is showing on the video. You can use your own colors to color the rocket. I am taking dark purple color crayon to color the top portion of the rocket. Color it very nicely and neatly within the given area. Very nice. Now, again, with the same color crayon, we are going to color between the two sleeping lines. So, we take a light blue color crayon and start coloring from the top of the rocket. And we continue coloring till we finish coloring the entire middle portion of the rocket. Now remember children, we are not going to color inside the circle. Now with the same color, we continue coloring the bottom portion of the rocket. Good job! Now we are finished with our coloring activity. And now it's time to do paper crushing. So, we take a yellow color kite paper and we are going to stick it in the circle, and red kite paper for the wings of the rocket. So now children, we keep our worksheet aside and we take the yellow color kite paper first. We will be tearing the paper and then crushing it nicely and rolling it into small paper balls. Now children, you can take a plastic bowl to keep all your crushed paper balls inside. So now we continue to tear the paper, crush it nicely and roll it into a nice paper ball. We tear, we crush the paper and roll it into the paper ball. Now once you are done with your yellow color paper balls, we are going to keep it aside and begin with red color kite paper. So we crush the paper and roll it into small red color ball. We again tear the paper, crush it nicely tightly and roll it into a paper ball. Now once you are done with the red and yellow color paper balls, we are going to stick these paper balls on the wings and inside the circle with our red and yellow color. So now we take small quantity of Fevicol in a small plate. We dip our pointer finger and apply Fevicol inside the circle. Children, you can always take your parents' help to apply the Fevicol. And now we are going to stick the crushed yellow color paper balls inside the circle. Now children, you don't have to rush doing this activity. Very nicely and slowly you can continue sticking. And once you have finished sticking the balls, just give a slight dab with your fingers. That's it. Very good. And now we are going to do the paper sticking on the wings of the rocket. So we are going to apply little Fevicol on the left wing of the rocket. And which color paper are we going to stick? Correct. Red kite paper, which we have already crushed into small paper balls. Now continue sticking the red crushed paper balls on the wings of the rocket. Very nice. So the left wing is ready. Same way, we are going to apply Fevicol on the right wing of the rocket, and then we are going to continue sticking the red crushed paper balls on the right wing. Yes, nicely and slowly. Very good, children. Yippee! Our rocket is ready to launch. Wow, isn't it looking beautiful? The coloring and the paper crushing on the circle and the wings of the rocket. Very good, children. Good job. And I'm sure you all have enjoyed doing this activity. I will see you soon again with another art and craft activity. Till then, bye.